Hello children, in this video we are going to learn triangle chapter exercise 2.3 fifth and sixth sums. In that first we will see the fifth sum. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of a triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ, this is our triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Here they did not give the diagram. We only should draw the diagram. We have to draw the triangle PQR. First I will draw the triangle PQR. Triangle PQR you have to draw. PQR. Now you see what they have given. S and T are points on sides PR and QR. S is a point on the PR. S is a point on the PR. S is a point on a PR, and T is S and T are points on QR, and T is a point on a QR. T if you take here, and if you join this, you have to join because we want to get the triangle RTS. RTS means you have to join this. This is a diagram we have here. What we want to prove, just you see, we want to show that triangle RPQ is similar to RTS. These two, bigger triangle and smaller triangle, are similar. We want to prove here. One thing they have given. So those two triangles you consider first. Which triangle you want to prove similar? No, those two triangles you consider. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, one thing they have given already. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS they have given. RTS. These two angles are equal, they only given. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. It is given. Next you observe this angle R is common for both the triangle PRQ also, SRT also. So I can write that as a PRQ is equal to SRT. SRT. This R is common for both the triangle, therefore common angle it is. Next, two angles are equal means obviously third angle also will be equal. I already told you while explaining AA criteria. I will just tell you how it is. Two triangles will be ABC and DEF. See, suppose this is 30 degree will take, this is 70 degree will take. This is 30, this is 70. See, 30 is equal to 30, 70 equal to 70. Here 30 plus 70 is 100 means obviously remaining angle will be 80. Here also obviously remaining angle will be 80 degree. Like that, here two angles of the one triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle means remaining angle also will be equal. So which is the remaining angle in the triangle PQR? Here now this is common for both. Then in a bigger triangle Q remains. Therefore PQR is also equal to TSR. TSR. What is the reason for that? Remaining angle. Remaining angle also will be equal. Remaining angle. Therefore by AA criteria we can say that, or by AA criteria by writing two angles also we can write these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This is a result, we got it. Now we'll see the sixth sum. In figure, if triangle ABE which is the triangle ABE. Just you observe that triangle ABE, this triangle. Just I am drawing and showing you. This triangle ABE is congruent to ACD. ACD. Congruent meaning is what? Congruent. This symbol is congruent. Congruent means all the three sides of one triangle are equal to all the three sides of the other triangle, and all the three angles of one triangle are equal to all the three sides of the all the three angles of the other triangle. Here sides will be equal, but if the triangles are similar means sides are proportional. If the triangles are congruent means sides will be equal. So by observe this AEB triangle. AEB if you are observing, and ACD. If you are observing means which are the two sides are looking equal there. AB is equal to AC. These are the equal, and AD is equal to AE. We can write it. Correct, no? And so we'll solve it now. Solution is they only given that what they have given, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. In these two triangles, if you are observing, see, if you want, just I will draw again and I will show you like these triangles are there, two triangles. This is A, E, B. Okay, one triangle. And one more is, just I will draw here. This is A, C, D. See, by seeing this, AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal, no? Therefore, AB equal to AC. What is the reason for this? CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. This one you take as equation 1. Next, see, AE equal to AD, no? AE equal to AD. This one you take as equation 2. This is also by CPCT. Now you divide 1 and 2. Divide 1 by 2. So AB divided by AE is equal to AC divided by AD. And this angle is okay. After dividing, just to keep this, then here what we want to prove? We want to prove triangle ADE. ADE is similar to ABC. So we should consider those two triangles now. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC means this smaller triangle and ADE and ABC are similar, we want to prove. If you want to prove similar means this angle A is common for both the triangles, no? So angle A is equal to angle A, we can write it. That is common. And one result we got here just now. What is that result? AB divided by AE. Just to observe, AB is a side of a bigger triangle and AE is a side of the smaller triangle. AB by AE and is equal to AC by AD. AC divided by AD. So now one angle is equal and two corresponding sides are in the same ratio. One angle is equal and two corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, by SAS criteria, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This is a result we proved. In the next video, we will study next 7th and 8th sums. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.